So how to do pivot table from the unpivotable data, which means suppose I have this scenario where I have some invoicing and collection data where data is in the month is are in the column format, and if I want to create pivot table from this, I can't make pivot table because for this I required this month to be in the one single column. Otherwise I cannot make a pivot table where I can select the month in this case. So how can I convert this unpivoted to pivot table? So let's learn. So for that we will use Power Query option to just convert this unpivot data into a pivot table. So just I go to the data. In this there's an option called get data. Here instead of getting from file there's an option called from text, and now this data I have done in the table, so I will select from table or range. So this window is called Power Query Editor, where I can edit whatever I want, whatever the changes in this. So see this, all the data which has now arrived in this format. Now I am just doing the formatting. It's already done the one formatting that's changed the change type depending on the format. It has converted into a number format and it's a numeric format. If you are new to Power Query, you can learn the basic of Power Query, which I have shared in the earlier video. You can go there. So we will begin. So now here I have to cover all invoicing to be written in this all rows and collection to be done in no call. Just select this column, go to transform, and here's an option called fill, and here's an option called fill down. So all my data is now filled in that. Also for the pivot table I don't require this total. Just go and unselect the total. Now I want to make it in the pivot table format. Just select the column which you don't want to be unpivot. Rest I want to in the pivot format because I don't want it to pivot format. Just select that, right click that, and there is an option called unpivot other column, or other option is you have to just select this column by pressing the control key and then right click, and again you have to do unpivot only select, but because this month are in the 12 months, so it will be lengthy process. So instead of this, just select the column which you don't want to unpivot and right click that, and here I have to select the option unpivot other column. Just see what happened. Now my months are in the column, but I don't are in the header of the each column, but I want this month to be in the each column. Just select unpivot other column. See what happened. All my months are now come in the column rows and with the values. So this all invoicing detail I have got now month wise. Now I can also change this format to whole number if I want. Now I get my value in a whole number. My work is done. Just close and load. Now this data is in the pivot table form. I just show you how can I create pivot table from that. Just select that, go to insert and pivot table from range, select OK. Now suppose now I have get the month now, which is not possible in this format because I can't get math in this format. I get just group in this value and value. Now I able to get my report in this format. So hope you like this video. Before going to that, even if suppose some error you have done in converting that or you some missed on that, you can go to this Power Query. This is available under data tab, query and connection. You just go to data tab, query and connection. Previously I have added table 1, table 2 query. Right now I have worked for table 3. Just right click that, edit that. If suppose any step you have missed, you can perform there, or if you want any step to be changed, you can delete this and go back and check this step also and just close and load. Then this data get refresh. So thanks for watching.